This video brought to you by Costco Pizza.
Delicious. They gonna change it up though.
Yeah, I know. Wait, why? What do you mean?
They're gonna require your membership.
I thought that already started.
It did, but I didn't. I got away with it.
Oh, all right.
I got a pizza today. No churros though.
And a hot dog. Thank you much for that. I appreciate that.
Costco Pizza. Anyway. Okay, so yeah, I do have something that came in the mail literally today. Like, no joke, today.
Okay.
Bought it a couple days ago on a whim off of random research because I knew there was something that you and I wanted to do.
Okay.
And up until this product, we wouldn't have been able to do it.
Okay.
Let me show you. Excuse me while I would. I think it's in the other room.
I don't even want to be here. He's kidnapped me and is forcing me to do these stupid videos. So I'm just...
I am excited for this though.
Yeah, man, I'm stoked too.
Here we go. All right. There you go.
All right, so what you're gonna want to do?
We'll show them.
Oh, can you see it? We have an AV to HDMI Mini. So what you're gonna want to do? The first thing you want to do
Nope.
is you want to.
No, bro. Are you? There you go.
All right, so you're gonna want to open
It's
it.
Ziploc.
I was elected to lead, not to read. What you want is you want to force this into the HDMI.
No. Okay. Let's take over. This is basically an upscaler, so it takes.
Upscaler? Oh, I hardly know her.
It takes your RCA inputs or outputs and upscales it to HDMI.
Nice.
So basically, this is used for modern televisions now because from what I hear, not a lot of flat screen TVs are coming with
RC,
red, white, and yellow.
Red, white, and blue.
So if you're trying to play all your old systems,
Retro games?
yeah, like the 64,
SNES.
yeah,
SNES,
the PlayStation, any system that has these connectors, you're out of luck, my friends. Unless you have this, because this converts the RCA connection to an HDMI, and it works really well. The other thing is that there's no battery. You do have to connect it to USB power, but you don't have to worry about running out of battery anymore, which is pretty dope. Let's say you're connecting a PlayStation 2 or something like that. PlayStation 2 itself has USB ports on it, so it can pretty much just run itself. You plug this into the USB port.
This is the thing that we tried to buy at Best Buy. It was like $50 and it didn't work.
Yeah, so we went to Best Buy and we bought one of their RCA to HDMI converters. It was the Best Buy brand. It was the, what is it?
Insignia.
Right?
We're on a Dynex.
Incredibly overpriced. It felt super fragile. It kind of worked, but it did not work at all for what we wanted to use it for.
So we said, F this S.
Yeah, especially because it cost like...
$50.
Was it 50?
It was 50
I thought it was
bucks.
more than $50.
I think it was 50.
I was surprised with how much. And it didn't even work how I wanted to, so that shit went right back.
So how was it when you tried it, Lucas?
I didn't try it yet.
Oh, nice.
Yes, I did try it. Because I had to make sure it works. But it does work. You might not intend to use it this way. We're going to do it this way. But at the very least, it works exactly like it's described. Intended to work.
Question, how would they use it how would they use it differently than how we're going to use it?
Well, I can show you. One of the goats of all time, right? So this is our Nintendo 64. One of the ideas that we have for the channel is that we're gonna just game, but I'm not really too hip to like a lot of modern gaming like Brandon is. I like these, but we have no way of like streaming
Capturing the moment,
capturing or anything like that. That's where this comes in. You have to get this signal to an HDMI signal.
Oh, you have to? You have to, Jim?
Hand me that right there.
Which one? The Ninja? I thought you wanted the Jamba Juice cut.
I kind of wanted it, but then this is essentially our capture card because I don't have one of those crazy souped up colorful computer towers and where you get the capture card and you put it in there and it captured as you stream and do all this stuff. No, I don't have that. In order to do what we wanted to do, I would have had to get one of those. But I remember that this is a capture card in itself. It's a monitor, but it also is a recorder. So you can use this to capture like gaming on a PlayStation or an Xbox. You go into out of the PlayStation into this, out of this into the TV, and this captures out of the system.
Records the PlayStation but sends it to the TV.
Yes. Now I want to get this and see if I can get it onto this, because I didn't want to spend all that money for Elgato, I think is the brand of upscalers or whatever, and that costs like $150. And you still needed the capture card.
That's what I mean, yeah.
Right? I'm like, I already have a capture card. I spent all this money to get this stupid thing. No, this is not stupid. I'm sorry. This is awesome. I'm sorry. I take that back. I'm sorry. The Ninja Gods, I apologize for how I misspoke. I already spent all this money to do this, so I'm not going to buy another capture card. I'm going to figure out a way to make this work, and that's where this comes in. So, what game do you think I had?
I'm not going to look at it. It's either Pokemon Stadium or Mario Tennis.
Follow your nose.
That was my first guess, but
one of the best games of all time.
all time.
So game goes in.
If you didn't know that part, rewind it back and watch it. That's very difficult to do.
You have your RCA, whatever. RCA.
Goes in that.
Yep, RCA comes out of this.
Into these.
So you come out here, your HDMI. So this is going to convert the signal from
These.
this
To these.
to an HDMI. You get your HDMI, you take your Ninja. So this is specifically if you have a Ninja. I looked all over YouTube, and I could not find a way to do this. There's a lot of like videographers that already have one of these, and just in the rare case that you might want to do this is just like, hey, here's a hidden gem that you probably didn't know you could do, and all you have to do is pay another $14 to get this. You already have a Ninja.
You already have an N64.
On the rare chance that you have a Ninja, you already have a capture card. All you have to do is spend $14 to get this. You have your little HDMI. You put it in here, and then out of the Ninja
HDMI out.
into your TV. Very easily you can capture retro gaming. Anything that has this output. So now we are finally able to capture this.
Let's do it.
And we can make stupid videos. So that's this. This is
$14.
pretty sure, depending on which seller you get it from on Amazon, it goes from $11 to like $15. There are a lot of different versions of it's all the same thing to my understanding, but tested, tried and true.
Kid tested, mother approved.
The Ghana.
Gonorrhea.
That one works. For those of you who actually have a Ninja, you can actually capture gameplay with this through this. So there you have it. We're gonna game. We're gonna capture PlayStation and Xbox stuff with this, of course, but I was more focused on like
How to do this. Well, yeah, because this is
yeah.
I mean, with the Xbox and PlayStation, we can literally just stream and then just record your video and then you know what I mean? That's not hard.
Yeah,
This is hard.
This is much tougher.
All right.
So there you go, another treasure that we found for you.
This video brought to you by GANA.
Not sponsored.
Sponsor. What is a cooler?
Cooler. Yes. I still have your game. Thank you, Brandon.
Outed you?
For outing
hey, you're the
my
one
ass.
spilling the beans, bro. How to play it cool.
It got real hot in here. It's not even cooler. I'm sorry.
Kohler? Cellular?
They would. You're literally saying every single time, every single way that it's been mispronounced. This poor family.
Cooler.
Cooler. It's not cooler?
Sueller? Sueller?
No. Oh, man.
Consuela?